how to create own league in FPL. Hey everybody. If you guys are also wanting to create your league on Fantasy Premier League, you may follow up the steps. So once you are into the Premier League website, you can head over and look out for the menu, usually in the top left corner, tap on it, and you can head over to the option called Fantasy and Gaming, and then go over to Fantasy and Premier League, and then sign in into your account in this particular website right here. Log in into your account like this. So once you are logged in, you should be finding this interface. You can look out for the login option and log in into your account first. And from there, go ahead and find the leagues and cup section, which should be available in right beside transfers. So tap on it and you will be taken to leagues and cup section. So here, if you'd like to create your own league, you can look out for this option called leagues and cups and tap on leagues. After that, tap on create and join new leagues and cup. And here, when you scroll down, you'll be finding option to create a league and cup. Go ahead and tap on it and open it up. After that, you can select up the option called create a league and cup at the very first option. Tap on it and head over to the league section. Now here, you can just go ahead and create your invitational league cup. So for example, I would like to create my league name something like this. After that, you can select your scoring starts from which week. So you can select 2, 3, 4 up to 12. We have the option. You can select, for example, 2. After that is done, you can just go ahead and look out for this option called create, tap on it. And when you do, you can wait for a bit and you should be finding your league being created right here. If you'd like to share your league, you can just go ahead and tap on the settings icon right beside your league. And then once you tap on it, here you'll be finding option called invite players. You can tap on it and here you'll be finding the code. You can just go and copy the link, the code here, and share it within any of the social media platforms, or you can even share it through any of the email address that you have available, or you can copy email text and send it as well. So there is it. So you may follow up this process if you'd like to create your own league in FPL as well. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.